Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a quick little tidy with me, some little cleaning motivation to get you guys through the week. I'm going to take you around quickly and show you what my house looks like and show you what I'm hoping to get done today. And yeah, then we're just going to jump right on into it. Okay, so I have shoes on the floor. I had to take out my garbage. It is overflowing. I have some stuff to add to the garbage, and I have to do a quick tidy up of the kitchen. There are clean dishes in the dishwasher that need to be unloaded. Gonna load it back up and just do a quick tidy up of the rest of the kitchen. And over here, we have to clean up Holden's sand that he was playing with earlier. I have a load of laundry to fold there. I also have one to fold there. And I just have to put some stuff away. Like I have some clothes that need to be put away there. And then over here, just a general tidying up of the living room. Hi, Odin. Hi. So just do a quick tidy up there. Actually. You were about to play? Yeah. You can start playing. Yeah, that's okay.
And you clean up, and then you have to clean up my Duplo.
Well, how about if you help me clean up your Duplo after you're done playing? So Holden's gonna make seemingly more of a mess over here, but that's okay. And we're going to also get some laundry done today, so I've got some laundry to go there. I have to wash my bedding today. I'm not going to take you in there right now because Dawson is having a nap in there, but once he wakes up, we'll go in there and strip the bed and do a quick tidy in there. So if you guys are in need of some cleaning motivation, I'm your girl today. We're going to get our to-do list done together, so go ahead, get yourself prepared, whatever you want to get done, throw my video up, and let's clean together. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started in my kitchen. My garbage can, as you guys saw, was overflowing, so we're gonna go ahead and empty that. I have these huge garbage bags, so anytime that I empty my garbage, I'd like to go around my house and just take all the other garbages as well. So I took the one from the bathroom, my bedroom, and then I also emptied the diaper genie in Dawson's room. So now it's actually full, and we can go ahead and take it out, and then we're going to continue on with the kitchen. So like I told you guys in the intro, there's tons of stuff that I have to put away and just like general tidying up in the kitchen.
Say my name or say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking. Drowning water, let go, wicked water, wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me
guys prefer to unload or load the dishwasher? Both my boyfriend and I hate unloading it, but it is one of the chores that he does. So I'm really thankful for that. I mean, lots of times, like if I wake up earlier in the morning, then I'll end up unloading it, but lots of times he unloads it, and I just do not like unloading it, but I really love loading it. For some reason, I get like such satisfaction from loading it. I like Tetris everything in there, and when I can fit like everything in there, and it's just like full, I just feel like so satisfied with myself when I'm able to do that. It's the little things in life, right?
Wicked running water.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace.
So Dawson is starting to eat solids now, and so I'm gonna be, you guys will see in a video coming soon, but I have to kind of switch everything out. Like I can start to get rid of his bottle sterilizer and stuff like that, and I need to bring out all of his like baby food making stuff, and I've started to bring some of that stuff out, but I don't have a place for it. He has his own little cabinet, but I kind of have to like swap everything out, so that's going to be coming in a video soon. And my goodness, you guys, he's already almost 7 months old, and I just can't believe how fast time is flying this time around. I feel like with my first son, I just felt like he was a baby forever. Like it just took forever, and I think part of that was that he was not a good sleeper, and he didn't sleep through the night until he was 2 years old. So I definitely I just felt like time kind of dragged, and this baby has been a good sleeper right off the bat, like right since the first night he was born. He's been a pretty good sleeper, so that might have something to do with it. Maybe it's time's going by a lot quicker now, but in any case, as you guys can see, we are moving over here into the dining area, and I'm just cleared everything off and put away all of Holden's toys, and we are going to start folding some laundry here. I have the one load of laundry that was almost already folded, and then there's another one that I have to fold everything. So here's a little bit of laundry motivation for you guys as well in today's video.
It's the way I never let you go. Way you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. Way you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side.
Now moving over into the living room, I'm just going to tidy up everything that's in here. I have a bunch of stuff I just need to put away, and just like the general picking up from the day. So we're going to go ahead and put away some toys, and of course get the couch all back together, do a little bit of vacuuming, and that should pretty much take care of the living room.
Put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So as you guys might have realized from my bedroom makeover video is that I have become super into plants lately, and this guy here is just trying to die on me, and I'm just, I mean, no one ever said that I was great at being a plant owner, but I'm trying my best, and I just cannot figure out what the heck to do with this plant. When I bought it, the lady told me it's like it almost is like, needs to be like desert plant. Just don't water it hardly at all. She's like, water it maybe once a month, keep it in the sunlight, but no matter what I seem to be doing, it just is trying to die on me. So I'm trying to like move it around to different areas in my house and see like what's going to be the best for it. And it's hard being a plant mom. Like every plant needs something different, and I love the way that they look, and I just love the atmosphere of having plants in your home, but I don't want them all to die on me, and I don't know how to take care of half of them.
I won't believe it. The truth is the light we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
Okay, so the last room we're going to take care of is my bedroom. I'm going to do a quick tidy in here, and I'm also just going to strip the bed and get all of the bedding into the washing machine so I can have fresh bedding for the night, and just go ahead and tidy up the rest of the room.
I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to break too much longer. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that I was able to inspire you to get your to-do list done. Let me know in the comments down below what you ended up cleaning while you had my video on. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to